Fresh in my wallet, and yes guys, the tokens have landed and a large sum appeared on the balance. Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to generate Flash USDT on TRC20 straight from your phone in just 2 clicks and get a large sum of non-real USDT straight into a Trust wallet. These tokens can be transferred only once and will disappear from your wallet in 72 hours. Use these tokens strictly for fun. You can prank a friend or flex with your balance, whatever. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Don't try to convert these tokens into real money. So as you can see, I've got 100 TRX in my wallet and 0 USDT. First, we need to copy the address of USDT token on TRON network. Then we go to TRC20 Flash website. I'll leave the link pinned in the comments. This service provides instant creation of Flash USDT tokens. It will make the necessary code writings in blockchain by itself, so you don't need to use complicated schemes with a computer. Let us look on some main points of this service. It claims to instantly generate USDT, works with all wallets on the network, is non-custodial, it doesn't have access to your funds, and requires no verification. Compared to other methods, using this service, tokens can be transferred only at once. The system will generate necessary code additions to recipients' wallets when it's sent. It also states that tokens arrive within a few seconds after creation with this platform. You can generate Flash tokens in amounts like 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000 or 100,000 USDT. It requires 100 TRX to cover up generation fees. Alright, let's generate. I'm choosing 100,000 USDT. Paste the address you copied and click Generate Flash USDT. A wallet connection window opens to pay the fees. Now switch to your wallet and you will see the connection window. As we can see, this service also verified in Trust wallet. After connecting wallet, we need to go back to browser manually. Wait a little bit for connection to finish and then go back to wallet again to pay generation fees. Check transaction details, and if everything in the order, confirm it. Then return to the site again and wait until generation is finished. Do not reload the page. And yep, token successfully generated as it says on the website. Now let's check the Trust wallet. Fresh in my wallet, and yes guys, the tokens have landed and a large sum appeared on the balance. Remember, you can transfer these tokens only at once between Trust wallets, and it can be only done in 72 hours. That's it friends. Once again, don't try to harm anyone with this method, be responsible, good luck and see you next time. Bye.